happening, everybody? Chef Wes is in
the house.
here to share some recipes with you while Wisconsin is warming up for better activities. Ooh, what a beautiful day it is here in Wisconsin. Here on today's episode, I'm gonna be sharing with you a very special recipe in my life. Something that I've kinda taken from my old way of life and incorporated into my new way of life, and I bring to you the kilogram cake. Check it out. So, this cake is absolutely phenomenal just as is. However, if you want to take it up another notch, I really like taking things up as far as I can usually. So what I really like to add to this dish is white chocolate chips and blackberries. I strongly recommend that this sits in the fridge for 24 hours for best results so the graham cracker can really absorb all that goodness. This does truly mean the world to me. So even if I can reach out to one person and maybe help them out just the tiniest little bit, then I've succeeded. Just wanted to thank everybody for joining me today, and keep coming with me on Weslife. When you have extra white chocolate, you can always do this. Just kidding.